find motivation to find herself until that one teacher came.
Want to talk about it?
It's just that everyone seems to be fitting in, and I'm just that same year 11 who is just pretending to be someone that I'm obviously not.
You're learning. That's what school is about. You try, then you fail, you try again.
What if I never learn?
You will. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. That genuinely means a lot.
Well, I'll be at my desk if you need me. Even if you want to sit down and talk about nothing.
Hey guys!
Hey, Sahana.
Hey! So what are we doing today after school then?
I was thinking maybe we would go maybe Zara, then maybe we could go eat after. No.
Okay, guys, stop talking now.
Transition is tough. Your mental health matters. Reach out, speak